Hello friends, welcome again. This is Alok. Today we will learn what is Gatling and for what purpose we use Gatling. In this video, we will download and run basic simulation script provided by Gatling. In the next part, we will integrate with Maven or Gradle. For now, let's see what is Gatling. Gatling is an open source framework that is used for load and performance testing. It is based on Scala. Basically, you have to write your script in Scala language and execute it. Gatling implementation focused on HTTP protocol. Gatling also used for JMS API. JMS is Java Message Service. One of the reasons why Gatling uses is increasing day by day is because of its result in the report format. It gives very presentable report with all metrics of data. At the end of this video, we will see how Gatling generates very nice result in HTML format. Gatling also comes with enterprise version. For this video, we will using Gatling open source version. Gatling open source is licensed with Apache. Gatling also used for scenario recorder. You can record your scenario and execute that recorded script. Gatling comes with very nice documentation that is easily and freely available on the internet. Let's go with the installation part. To run the Gatling with the CLI, you should have version of JTK 8 and JTK 11. From the Gatling version 3.0, it supports Scala 2.12 version. To download the bundle, you have to go to the Gatling site. Let's go to the Gatling website. This is the website for the Gatling. Here you can find open source the link for download. Once you download, Gatling downloaded in the zip file. This file is already downloaded. Once you unzip, you can see different folder structure. As part of the bundle structure, bin contains the launch script for Gatling and the recorder. The launch script will be in BAT and SS file format. This is the launch script that I was talking about that will execute, and we can see the report generated out of it. It contains the conf folder that is the configuration file for the Gatling. It contains lib that is used by the Gatling. It contains user files folder that has two folders, resources and simulations. Resources folder contains the feeder file and template for the request bodies. Simulations folder contain the script, basic script, and some advanced script that is part of this Gatling default version. You can run your script in this folder structure by placing your scripts under this folder structure. Also, it contains the result folder. In the result folder, It contains the simulation log and report generated by the Gatling. Let's go to execute some basic script provided by the Gatling. I'm in the folder of the Gatling. Let's execute gatling.sh file. Once you execute, Gatling home will be set to your default downloaded directory. You can choose any one of the script that is provided by Gatling. Let's choose basic script. Provide some name. You can see Gatling. You can also see the logs at runtime. These logs is coming because of this default script that is given by the Gatling. You can run your own script. Okay, it is completed. And you can see the result file is generated. Let's go to the result folder. We have executed this basic script. So it generated the basic folder and see, it generated the simulation log. If you open it, see, it has given all the steps. It has captured, it is nicely captured all the steps that is written in the basic script. Let's open this HTML file. See, what a nice result provided by the Gatling. It is detailed report. See, every request has the different matrix that is captured. You can see error matrix, you can see response time, number of requests, number of responses. All this matrix is beautifully represented. In the next part of this video, we will see how you can execute your own script by Gatling. Gatling also provides the recorder script. In one of the part of this video, we will see how we can record any scenarios and record and run those scripts. Thank you all.